Hey there, today we're checking out the WAGO 221 lever nets 78-piece compact splicing wire connector assortment with case. This kit includes 3 types of connectors: 34-2 conductor 221 to 412, 26-3 conductor 221 to 413, and 18-5 conductor 221 to 415 connectors. Designed to connect solid, stranded, and flexible copper wires quickly and reliably, it works with wire sizes from 24 to 12 Aruban florins. The connectors feature a transparent housing, letting you visually inspect for proper strip length and complete wire insertion. These genuine WAGO lever nets are all listed, ensuring safety and quality. Their compact design saves space and makes installations neat and efficient. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this assortment helps make wiring tasks faster and more secure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.